Thanks again for coming to one of the Plygem vinyl siding YouTube videos. We're excited to have you. What we're going to talk about in this video is several different options on how to cut vinyl siding. Again, safety is absolutely critical for all parts of a vinyl siding job, but during the cutting operation, it's super critical. So we want to remind you, whenever you're cutting vinyl siding, especially on a saw or working on a vinyl siding job, make sure to wear the proper safety glasses, as Eric's doing here. And we also want to make sure that you wear hearing protection. So Eric's has both of these, so he doesn't have any damage to his health. So let's start off by telling you about one of the main ways to cut siding, and that is with a circular saw. There's several different types of circular saw, but we want to make sure in either case you use the right kind of blade and the right method. You want to use a fine-toothed blade with a lot of teeth. For example, a plywood blade works the best. And you also want to reverse it so that you don't get clambering on the panel, especially in cold weather, and you want to move slower with the saw blade in colder weather. So Eric's going to cut a piece off here, and you can see it's very easy to do. You set it up, you have the stand all ready to go, and that makes a very smooth cut, and it looks just perfect for installation. The second method we're going to show you is used a lot for cutting in different directions, and that is a pair of standard tin snips. So you'll see here, he'll use those. There's a lot of different options you can get here. Get a good quality tin snip, keep them sharp, and your job will go much quicker. So that shows how quickly that works. The last method we want to show you that you may want to use, you may have to use, give you a couple examples, is when you're cutting under a window. Eric's already marked where we're going to cut this out under a window here. And you could use a tin snip, but it may be easier to actually use a utility blade here. So the third method that a lot of contractors and homeowners use is utility blade. Please take extra care in using a utility blade. It does slide on the vinyl, so you may want to use a straight edge to keep that firm, but be very careful. Mark away from your body, and right here he's showing you what we would normally do on a table. Just score that area, and then you can crack it off. And then another option is there's times you're going to have to cut the nail hem off for different things, and so you may want to score right underneath the nail hem, and you can actually break that off too. So again, to review, tin snip, circular saw, and utility blades are the way to cut vinyl siding. And again, we want to thank you for viewing the Plygem video. Continue to look at YouTube for more helpful Plygem vinyl siding videos.